life you can lead if you only believe. And in order to achieve what you need, you can never give up. You can never give up. And this hope that keeps me holding on, and on. And this hope that makes me carry on and on. Homegrown, couldn't have made it alone. I got a wonderful life, 2 kids of my own, with a strong foundation that was carved in stone. Now my mama for the love that made my house a home. Made me wonder sometime if this was meant to be. All this for a humble little guy like me. And all I ever really wanted was a family, to teach my kids the same value that she gave to me. She said, son, there'll be times when the tides are high, and the boat may be rocky, you could cry, just never give up.